I've been at Magdala for 4 years. This is our 4th year. And then slowly, the people are beginning to trust us, you know, that we are not going anywhere. And it helps that I am from that village. Because, oh yes, Linky, although at the beginning, oh, it's just Linky. When did you become a teacher? Which university did you go to? Oh, I didn't go anywhere. I went to the University of Life and the University of London. But I am very passionate about my people, Shangan people. I am Shangan. They are really amazing individuals, and our government is so condescending towards rural people, and it makes me angry. So that is the emotion that sometimes I show. Because they are just brilliant. They are just, you throw anything at the kids that I teach and they will go for it. This year we joined, there's this English Olympiad. Again, because we are so far away and so isolated, we lack access to information, what's going on out there in the other parts of South Africa. So being there helps, because now we can connect them. May it be the English Olympiad. They had to write this English Olympiad as first language speakers. We were writing, it was an anthology about Shakespeare for all, you know what I mean? They had no idea who Shakespeare was. They didn't know anything about his teachings, they knew nothing. But I said, guys, I need 30 learners who can take part in this, and they're like, oh yes, and they wrote. We're waiting for the results now in June. And the post office was on strike. So we didn't get the anthology, we had to run to Londolozi, make copies. So every afternoon we met and read. They would come on Saturdays and Sundays, they didn't mind. And at the end of the day, they sat there and they wrote those exams. That's how great these kids are. And I love being there, and I would love, you know, for one day to have a center similar to what we have at HDLC. And I am going to be I talk a lot, so yes, I can go non-stop. Please, yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. That was a wonderful and very strong, powerful presentation. And I must say, I like the words that you're using when you're talking in the presentation. That was very inspiring.
I honestly believe in that, otherwise I wouldn't have said it.
Yeah, that was very inspiring, and I like the way you're positive, the way you talk good of your country, you love your country, the way you talk good and you love your continent. I come from Africa, not many people, not many women, more so women, are positive about their continent and their countries. So you are one of your kind and very few. And that's very positive. You see, Africa, or the land of Africa, cannot produce for you if you also don't like it, yeah. You are not positive about it. And I think and believe it can be productive for you. It can produce for you, because you are very passionate, you like it, you are very positive, and you see a very positive future ahead. So thank you, I like it and I like you. You are my hero.
Thank you. Thank you. Ali.
Yes, my Linky. That was amazing and good work. What is going there and what you are doing for your community, and we are really proud of you. We know that you are very strong. My concern is the digital learning.
Yes.
Do you apply this basic education like the elementary? Because I can see rural village children. So do you apply this from primary school, like classes 1, whatever?
Yes, so what happened was, where the Good Work Foundation, the HDLC, Healthy Learning Center is set up, it's near a church. Again, you have to build relationships. You cannot just go into somebody's village and start building something. So there's a church, it's a big church called Hosanna. And then within the church, they had these vulnerable kids that would go there every afternoon. So they would give them food. And then when we finished our learning center, we took all of them and brought them in. So there's Microsoft Nkuna. It's a software. Yeah. So there's Nkuna for kids and for adults. So we just put them, guys, kids are amazing. You give them your phone, they will switch it off, turn it back on, change your password. They will do everything to it, and I've seen it with my son. And don't ask them how they just know. All they have to do, you just say, this is a computer room, you don't even have to turn it on and go away. You come back, these kids are busy there, you know, on the computers. So what happened was, then the principal of the school, or the teachers of the school that they were going to, she realized that these poor kids were overtaking her wealthy kids. They, all of a sudden, they know how to spell, they can do mathematics, they are reading, and she was like, what's going on? And then they said, yeah, we just go to this place after school. See, woman, we need women, lots of women in charge. So what did she do? She didn't say, oh yeah, who are these people? She came. The next day she was like, I want to know what you are doing with these kids. And I want you to do it for all of my kids. Okay? So we said, it's fine, just pay 100 rands every month. You want it? Then you must invest in it. It's your education. You can go and tell the parents. Okay? So what they did, they are paying 100 rands every month. There's a transport. We pay for transport. We don't mind doing that. So we transport the kids because they are slightly far away. So now, instead of doing English in school, they drive to Hazelview Digital Learning Center. It's English time. And then they do. And then on top of that, we've got the Samsung Galaxies and the iPads and whatnot. Guys, when you do something good, you find like-minded people. We had no idea that we were going to launch the Hazelview Learning Center in 2012. We started at Londolozi, then we moved to Madala. Within a year, we had got funding from T-Systems, and then that center was built. And now, there are people who are wanting centers across South Africa. That's the reality. So yes, it's through tablets, and we have got educational apps that we are using and those computers. So yeah, that's why you see the school kids. And now we've got 3 schools doing that, and more to come. Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, Lily, for the great work that